Now, cruises have been a big focus during this outbreak because it creates an easy environment for COVID-19 to spread. Moments ago, we learned that the Regal Princess, which is not allowed to dock in South Florida as crew members were being tested for coronavirus, will be able to dock now. The CDC says both those crew members tested negative for COVID-19, and the crew members had previously been on the Grand Princess ship that's been sitting outside San Francisco's port waiting to dock after at least 20 coronavirus cases were reported. The Regal Princess had to cancel another cruise scheduled to leave today. Now, the cruise line released a statement saying, due to the unknown timing of obtaining the sampling kits, test results, or anticipated response, we have made the difficult decision to cancel Regal's voyage departing on March 8th. We share in our guest disappointment in the canceled cruise and are sorry we could not communicate sooner given the lack of information. The cruise line is offering passengers compensation. And again, remember, you can text us questions to the number on your screen. And if you want to see all our coronavirus coverage on WTSP, just text the word FACTS to that number as well. That number is 727-577-8550.